Welcome to Video Evolution, evolution in the world of videos. Today, we are going to start with the summary of the sixth chapter of Three Men in a Boat. Now all the three friends reached Kingston, where their boat was waiting for them. They all were going to have a new start of their journey. Boats were drifting on the glinting river. Harris was given the responsibility to row the boat. Glinting was the name of a river in Kingston. The narrator became historic and told that second kings were crowned here at this place. Caesar also came here, and Queen Elizabeth VI had visited in the pubs and the inns of this place. There was a king named King Edward. His coronation fest was not actually true. He was lying, meaning his fest of being crowned of the place was not actually true. The glory of Kingston was gone because of this, but soon after it again gained its glory when Hampton Court became the palace of this place. Hampton Court became the hub of this whole place. Hampton Court was known for its beautiful structure. In one of the houses they visited, they saw there were magnified carved oak staircase. That house was now a shop. The shopman told about the history of this house. The oak stairs of the shop were excellently carved. The walls of the shop were covered with a blue wallpaper. These walls were made up of carved oak. Because of this carved oak, the room became very congested, so he covered it. The narrator actually tells that he had a rule of the world, that is, those who love the oak would pay much money for this, but those who hate it would never give it the money. The narrator says that each person wants things that they don't have, and other people pray that they could have those things. The narrator gave an example to prove this, that there was a boy named Sanford. He wanted to study well and attend school, but he became ill, and some other boys wanted to leave school and wanted to be ill but couldn't. The narrator actually shows love for unique objects. He says things that we use today could become antique after 300 to 400 years, but we don't understand their importance at this present time. Now all three friends ran their boat to Hampton Court. The beauty of the court was beautiful. Flowers like lichens and mosses were growing there. It was very peaceful and quiet place. The narrator talks about some poetic nature. He says, human has love for light and life. In sunlight, nature is alive and busy, and when the night falls, the nature looks dark and scary. Harris now visited a maze at Hampton Court. Harris thought they would get out of the maze in 10 minutes. He thought it would be a very easy task. He was very confident. Harris followed another group of people in the maze, and finally they got lost and they lost their hope. Harris gave an idea that they should always take right turn and they would get out, but they came at the same place. Then a group of people waved to the guardman to help them out of the maze by climbing the ladder. The guardman to whom they waved was young and he had just joined the business, so he himself got confused and stuck in the maze. Then these group of people had to call an old man of this job, and the old man then got all the people out of the maze. Thank you. For more videos, please subscribe.